Sorry.
Can you explain the concept of this exhibit? What are we seeing?
So actually, I'm giving here a lecture tomorrow. That's going to be long and impressive. And for today, we're doing something more fun. It's going to talk more about the food design. If tomorrow in the lecture, I'm going to talk about the bigger aspect of my work, the conceptual part of it. This is more like an introduction to the area of working with food. So I'm just going to give them some ideas, some tools, to show how we implement them in our projects. Then tomorrow we're going to talk about everything, how it works together. But today is really like a step-by-step. We're actually calling the workshop today the manual for creating an eating experience. So we're going to go through that during the workshop. Then we're going to experience some things here, and then tomorrow we'll see more.
What is food design? Because,
well, you should come to the lecture.
Yes.
If you're already here, you should just come to the lecture. Food design is a discipline in design that actually works with food. I'm not a food designer. I use food design in my project. But food design usually is the physical, using the food physically in projects, designing food and designing for food. You're not agreeing?
No fruit.
we found it.
That's really important.